our officially licensed autographed football jersey. This is Series 3 from Hit Parade, box 21 out of 100. And man, every box has got one officially licensed jersey. So Nike, On Field, Adidas, Reebok. So the nicest of the nice jerseys. So this is a random division break. Every spot gives you one random division. So only 8 spots total in this. Rick's got 3. Kyle H with 1. Daniel's got 1. Ray with 1. Donnie's got 1. And then Davis picked up the last spot. Okay, yeah, Tom, I think we got him crossed. It's no big deal. I'll cancel that one. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the divisions first. Ray, did you say you wanted one in the baseball? Yeah, Donnie, you're in the second one, man. The one that we are about to fill. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the divisions. Yeah, Ray, if you want that last spot, okay. Sounds good, dude. I'll put you in for that one. Yeah, it's 35 a spot. All right, let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Daniel, you've got the AFC South. Davis with the NFC North. Donnie's got the NFC East. Dude, that's like the second time in a row. Kyle's got the AFC East. Ray, you've got the NFC South. And then Rick with the AFC West, the AFC North, and the NFC West. All right, so there are your divisions. All right, box 21. I think Brady was the one that was in this one. All right, we've got Seattle. It's going to be a DK Metcalf. It's a nice Nike On Field. Mill Creek Sports authenticated. There is the auto right there underneath the number. So NFC West will go to Rick. Nice hit there. So Rick, congrats, man. We will get that jersey in the mail to you tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us for this one. We can do more of these coming up here over the next couple weeks if you guys want to get in on that. Just send me an email, Todd@tennskinbreaks.com.